What's good? You told me back with another vlog. I know I ain't uploaded in a minute. It's been almost a week. Probably it had been a week. But yeah, I've been just busy moving out. I'm moving. Well, I'm not moving, but my stepdad is moving. He got his house. So all of this whole bunk bed, all this finna be gone today. Finna be moving out. But yeah, that's why I ain't been uploading really. I ain't been on a game that much. Know that. But I know my direct messed up. I'm finna just take this off. My hair messed up too though, so I don't know. But that's really it. That's why I ain't been uploading a lot. I know y'all missed me. Road to 250 still. It's still road to 1K is still going. But we're gonna see. Yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna see y'all once. I don't know when I'm gonna see y'all, but I'm gonna see y'all once I cut the camera back. Alright, I just threw this on because my hair I messed up. But hold on, let me get it right. Alright. But yeah. Now I'm finna shit right here. As you can see, the bed is put down. It's finna go in the truck. I'm finna get my new bed today, and I'm getting an iPad today. So hopefully I can edit my videos on that instead of my phone. And yeah, that's my room so far though. My little setup. And the little black cover that was always behind me in my videos, which was my gaming videos. It's not gonna be there anymore. It's gonna be just wall. So all you gonna see is this. Besides the black see my bed, which I don't really see the cooking me low. But I'm gonna finally have my own room, y'all. I didn't have my own room in so long. Like it's been so long since I have my own room. But yeah, it's gonna be lit, y'all. Like no cap. Like this is my first time having my own room in like a very long time. Let me put this down a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna update y'all when we leave probably. I don't know yet. I might. Yeah, I don't know yet. I don't know yet. But I'm gonna see y'all. I know I ain't uploading in a minute. I miss y'all too. But I'm back with more vlog and bangers. But that's really all I have to say. I'm gonna talk more on the road, right on the road, wherever, when we leave and stuff. But yeah, that's really it. Yeah, that's the truck. We are not done. We driving this car, and that truck. So yeah, as y'all can see, we're not done yet. We still got more stuff to put in there. But that's gonna be really it for the house. Like, I'm gonna show y'all what my room looks like. Alright, so everything right here is all staying here with my clothes. I'm gonna have to clean up. I had this moved because I was putting the bed. That's the stuff that I used to put the bed up. Well, I didn't use it, but these are my shoes. Well, that's really it, really. And I'm gonna take this. This is where my TV was hung up at. See, as you can see right here, that these right here is what was hanging amongst my bed. This is my bed. I'm gonna get a screen. I'm finna get posters. I'm finna get my LED lights. All that, y'all. We finna be lit. My room is finna be lit, y'all. No cap. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all once. I don't know when I'm gonna see y'all. I'm gonna probably see y'all once I get in the car. Then my brother crying because he can't go outside. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all once I get in the car. I know my hair messed up. Don't talk about my hair. I already know. I'm gonna put on do-rag. I'm gonna get dressed for 4th of July. I forgot to say it. Happy 4th of July, y'all. Yes, sir. He's steady crying. But yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna see y'all once I probably get in the car. Unless something comes up and I gotta show y'all. But I doubt it's gonna come up. But without further ado, I'm gonna see y'all We ain't get in the car. Peace. Alright, y'all. So y'all can rate my outfit. Black shirt on, black shorts, and black Nike sides, and black socks. The reason why we wearing all black, cause Black Independence Day, for black people, for Black Lives Matter, for really. That's what it is. Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, this is the house. I'm about to wreck my stuff. But I'm recording my phone. The little attic, closet, the attic. But I haven't been here yet. I'm not thinking about it. Now, before I even say I was scary, I was in the house by myself and I heard a pop, so I left. Yep, I'm getting out. This is the living room and dining room. Should have more stuff in. And this outside. Let's see you all, Chuck. I'm gonna see y'all once we get to my uncle's house to do fireworks.
That's weird.
Alright, YouTube, now this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope y'all liked it. Happy 4th of July. I already said it, but I want to say it just again. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new. Road to 1K. Comment for the giveaway. Like the video. Let's get 20 likes for more vlogs. Cause this was a pretty lit vlog. It wasn't too much, but it was a pretty lit vlog. No cap. It was decent. I shot some fireworks up in the sky. The first one was scary because it was my first time doing something like that. But I liked it. I bet myself tomorrow right here, all this finna be so black. Tomorrow, alright, I'm already knowing. It's like 1 in the morning. We just got home. I'm tired. Finna go to sleep. But I just wanna say, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all new. Thanks for supporting me, and if you made it this far in the video, make sure you comment and say chicken nuggets. That's how I'm gonna know. But this video wasn't too long. I'm about to go to sleep. Tomorrow, I'm about to get up, take a shower, and do my regular day. I know y'all miss me. I know. I was gone for a minute, but I'm back. Well, that's all I got to say. Good night.
Once we start a riot, we can't keep quiet. We want all the smoke, fuck the peace signs. All gas, no brakes, we just gon' keep sliding. Hey, Glock cooking nigga, he get deep fried. Snakes in the grass, watch out.